You'll see what happens. It has one missing piece in it, as this one has 5 missing pieces.
Oh, it's way too bright for this. Okay.
Jubilee class, LMS, London Midlands Scottish region, with a canal and barges. You can see the signals up. But this one, unlike most of the jigsaws that come from used bookstores, so this is a rare treat.
I see.
And it's no bother at all. And it's a whole class engine. And what's called this is one of my favorites. This is a double header GWR, Great Western Railway, passing through a beautiful village. Another canal.
Something's wrong. It's too bright. I think I have it.
Machine, 1936, like Art Deco, way ahead of its time. Sorry, I'm moving fast.
Very Art Deco.
Maybe I'll look at that engine. Can you believe what it'd be like to see one of those for real?
It looks like a gigantic, beautiful Deco monster.
Now I can't talk about this one much because it's American.
Oh.
But the next one, if it's an English one, God, I've got to watch out for my globe.